beautiful day. Hope you all having a great day today. Before you leave this video, comment down below if you have already subscribed, or if you subscribe, and tell me why you decided to subscribe today, or why you are a subscriber to this channel. And I'm happy to have you here, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Stay tuned.
Tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you want you. So I'll come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? You can have this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have this place on earth. Take you there, take you there.
She's filming in there. So, y'all should be really thankful for a vlogger like her.
I don't think people really care if you're vlogging or not. Maybe vlogging is not just for you. If you have problem.
Yes. I don't like when people look at me.
This is what I want to do, so I don't have problem with vlogging anyway. Except if they tell me that I don't.
Do you have anybody to tell me?
No.
Hey, you can't vlog in there.
If they tell me I can't vlog, obviously. I'll reach out to you. So I'm gonna go get me a drink. So I need to go bring this one came already cute. My hair is not done. What's the word? The vibe for today. What does that mean? What does that mean? By the way, the rain was so
last night?
loud last night.
Sleep.
Thunder and everything else.
So bad. And,
And my basement got flooded, so I need to go in. Actually, the water is going down. It's just a little bit now, but it got flooded last night. So, I was just so tired. I was about to go out, but I'm like, nah, I'm not getting this rain. It was raining very heavy, and my kids get scared with the thunder, especially her. She said, when you go out, she said, Mommy! Okay, y'all. Anyway, we're about to, she's out back at you. I don't know what she's seeing. I like chipotle, but I cannot eat it every day. That's just too much. But if I leave with her, she would eat that every day.
Me and my sister.
Anyway. Here we go. Oh, let's go.
Why you just stand over there looking?
Why are you keep moving?
Because I'm trying to find a
Yo, it been pouring out all day.
Not for real.
Since yesterday.
What egg you do? It's just mostly protein.
Yeah, well, it's good.
You eating once a day.
They got protein diet. You wouldn't eat protein. Oh, Leo, it's about 1:30 p.m. Yo, I don't know what's going on here, but there's a lot of police over
wow.
here.
I think the truck driver got in an accident.
I don't know, but it's not. It don't look pretty at all, y'all. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing to work out. Let me pull you down a little bit. I don't think you can see me. I had these pants. It came with a shirt.
With you tonight and morning. It's about time for waking up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you, want you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have it, that's on nothing.
My friend's brother is 6'8", and his whole family's like really tall, taller than him, and he's
Oh, yo, I'm already tired. So I'm gonna do this first. know. So y'all, we done working out. So we on our way. So y'all, this is what I got from Speedway. We got a lot of different sandwiches. Oh, that is so nasty, girl. Why you open all these bags? So we got different. We got this burger, cheeseburger,
Be careful out there.
and this sandwich right here. I don't know why the girls opened this one, but this right here, and this one is a croissant. Oh shit, my phone about to go down. This one is a croissant kind of sandwich. So I'm gonna just heat it up in the morning. I haven't eaten yet. It's about 3:13. So this one here is egg, croissant, egg, and bacon and sausages. Delicious, y'all.
You taste it? You think it's sarcastic or something? No, I'm tired. It's good.
So y'all, we got home. I took some nap. I was so tired. I took a little nap. I watched some YouTube video. So right now I'm about to edit this video so it can go up. From there I'll go downstairs in my basement and try and clean that water up. But until then, I have the humidifier going on. In that way, you know, it helps suck up some of the bad air and stuff. So pretty much that's what's going on today, guys. Thank you for watching as always, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.